Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what matters: UI kit, icons, and the framework you'll use. Decide Swift UI for native feel or React Native for cross-platform. This affects available components and performance. Once done, export 4488px icons as SVG/PDF and make blurred background images at 2x density. Make sure to map out safe areas and the grid for control sizes so touch targets stay at least 44px. This prepares you to build a responsive, touch-friendly control panel right away. You now implement the core pieces: modular tiles, toggles, and sliders that accept size and state props so you can reuse them. Use native blur, UI visual effect view on iOS, or CSS backdrop filter for web to get that translucent iPhone look while keeping GPU-friendly layers. Cache blurred images when needed. Once done, wire state management for quick actions and haptics. Make sure animations are spring-based for natural motion. Also add accessibility labels and minimum 44px targets so everyone can use the panel. You finish by refining animations and syncing haptics for tactile feedback. Aim for 200-400 ms durations and natural easing to match iPhone standards. Then test on actual devices for safe area issues, rotation, and memory spikes. Measure CPU/GPU so the panel stays smooth at 60 fps. Once validated, bundle assets and deploy. If things go wrong, reduce simultaneous blur layers. Provide a non-blurred fallback and profile rendering. This usually resolves stuttering or battery drain quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.